This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 5: Steering and Sustaining a Conversation. Conversation is being presented as a holistic context that encompasses speaking, listening, and overall interaction, including ambience and nonverbal communication. 3 interactive activities related to conversation will be outlined. To better understand conversations, several activities are discussed, such as conversing back to experience the lack of visual cues, having one person act uninterested while the other speaks, checking retention of complex messages, and engaging in a telephonic conversation to experience the absence of nonverbal cues. Silence forms a significant part of life, allowing things to gel and make sense. It is symbolic of space and understanding, as illustrated in Buddhist stories where the Buddha used silence to emphasize important teachings on overcoming suffering. Silence can communicate in conversation, creating significance and importance. Cultural differences in conversational styles are illustrated through graphs representing American, Japanese, and Indian styles. While Americans alternate speakers continuously, Japanese conversations incorporate pauses of silence, and Indian conversations involve simultaneous vocalization without silence or pauses. Conversations vary across cultures, influenced by societal norms and values. Effective communication involves active listening, patience, and sharing personal concerns to build trust. In certain situations, delaying important topics until openness is established can lead to fruitful dialogue. The processes involved in conversation include in-depth analysis of listening, speaking language usage, and their significance in communication. Polite and concerned language that conveys understanding and interest is emphasized, along with individual styles, potential barriers, tone of voice, and body language. Nonverbal aspects of conversation, such as postures, gestures, facial expressions, and personal space, communicate varying degrees of intimacy, distance, control, and emotional states. Humans are sensitive about their territory and conversational distance, which varies by gender and between strangers. The context, culture, and conventions in a conversation determine speech style, body language, emotional content, and dynamics. Cultural conventions and power relationships shape interactions, and even close friends follow protocols in formal contexts. When disagreeing, presenting views indirectly allows room for potential agreement. Developing sensitivity to communication elements like language, behavior patterns, and body language across formal and informal settings is crucial for effective soft skills. Automatically switching roles is natural, but intentional practice may be needed for certain contexts, such as telephone etiquette. Telephone conversations present challenges in sharing nonverbal communication, requiring different strategies. Role-playing conversations as different personas in real life and over the phone can help develop sensitivity to various communication contexts. The speaker emphasizes that effective human communication requires care and sensitivity, as humans can easily get hurt, offended, or feel neglected. The speaker advises being mindful to become a better communicator and will discuss certain matters on a discussion forum. Key takeaways include the meaningful role of silence in conversations across cultures, the impact of cultural norms on conversational styles and etiquette, the substantial meaning conveyed through nonverbal cues, the unique strategies required for telephonic interactions, the importance of sensitivity, empathy, and role awareness for effective communication, and the influence of context on appropriate language, style, and emotional expression. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.